Welcome to the UAE's 53rd birthday. The theme of tonight's celebration is Mutahid, which means united. We are united in purpose, making the world and our region safer and more secure. We are united in prosperity, strengthening trade, technology, and commercial ties. We are united in values, promoting coexistence, cultural exchanges, and educational links. These themes and connections were on full display in September during His Highness's President Sheikh Mohammed's visit to Washington. The entire visit was a true expression of Mutahid, of being united. I thank everyone for being here, for your continued support and your continued determination and friendship.